Tonya is looking for something cozy for her living room. Susan wants to add some life to her husband's den, and Janet wants to make a colorful, inviting quilt for her guest room. Let's help them out. Hi, it's Fran Morgan with Fabric Café, and I'm your fabric matchmaker. We're doing something a little bit different today. We had 3 people send in pictures of rooms in their home that they're struggling to match quilts for. I pulled together fabric and patterns that I think will look perfect in their space and give it that extra coziness they need. So the first room that we're going to look at was sent in by Tonya, and this is her living room. And Tonya, I have to say, this is a gorgeous space. I think the first thing that pops into my vision is that gorgeous leaded glass window that you have in there. I love the diamonds on that. Perfectly flanked with gorgeous lush curtains. I love that. Now you have some touches of blue in your throw pillows on the chair, as well as a nice arcing lamp. You have a coffee table that has some hairpin legs, which is great, that has a little bit of that mid-century flair to it, which I'm kind of picking up on here. And I think that you have a really clean, classy aesthetic. So I wanted to get something that really worked in this space. But first, let's read what Tonya has to say about her living room. She writes, "My husband, son, and I just moved into our new home. We love sitting by our living room windows and often spend mornings and evenings here. I curl up with a book and my son loves to play with his toys in the window. You can see his toy train in some of the photos, as well as our cat, Nico. I would love a quilt design to add to the beauty and coziness of the space. Thank you, Tonya." Well, Tonya, I think we have just the thing for you. Now, I chose the jewels pattern for Tonya's space because I think it kind of mimicked those gorgeous windows that she has in her space. Those neat diamonds in her windows are kind of mimicked here in the way that this is pieced. I also really like that her pillows, her accent pillows in her chairs also had that kind of diamond-shaped pattern to them. So I thought it would work really, really well. Now this is a cool pattern too, because it's actually a 1 block, and the 1 block is made in 2 different colorways, placements, so that you can put them together, rotate them, and create this really dynamic pattern. Love all the movement, horizontal, vertical, and diagonal in this quilt. It's super fun, super easy to put together. Let's check out the fabric that we've put in this quilt just for Tonya's space. So when choosing a quilt, there were quite a few things that I looked at in the photos to kind of pick up some hints on what might work. On her chair, she has a beautiful fabric that kind of is a floral, but it's a very stylized floral with like a line drawing and then another kind of shadow floral under it. And I thought that was really cool. So I kind of combined all of these things together. And whenever I saw our focus fabric, I thought this was perfect for this space because it kind of has a similar feel. It's a floral. It's a very simple floral design, but it has like a line drawing of the leaves and then some of the florals behind it that kind of shadows it. Kind of a similar style like the fabric Tonya has in her living room. But also, I loved that it had the blues in it, and it also had the warm peaches and beige. I thought that was perfect for her styling that she has. So we've chosen this fabric for our #1 focus fabric for our jewels pattern. That is going to go everywhere you see the floral on this one. Now, I kept the #2, of course, great beige, with a little bit of a leaf pattern kind of scattered on it, and it's a tone-on tone, and it matches perfectly the focus fabric. I think it just carries that theme of the focus fabric, which is perfect. It is going to go everywhere you see the cream here. Then for our #3 fabric, I picked this fabric that has a little bit of blue undertone. It goes pretty dark into kind of a blue-gray here. And I like this because I think it's going to really anchor this quilt, and it's going to pick up all the darker tones in Tonya's space. We're going to put this everywhere the blue is in this pattern, and it's going to give it just a great pop. I really think it's going to be fabulous. Now, I have an image on the screen so that you can see how great this looks. I really love this fabric in this pattern. I just think it gives it a whole fresh perspective. And Tonya, I really think it's perfect for your living room. You'll have to let us know. If you make the quilt too, be sure to send us a picture. And I love the focus fabric and the diamonds. Don't you guys? Let me know what you think about this and if you think it matches Tonya's room. I'd love to hear. So Tonya, for sharing your space with us and participating today, we are going to be sending you 1 yard each of these 3 fabrics, as well as the book 1 Block 3 Yard Quilts. This book has our jewels pattern in it. Now, if you love these fabrics as much as I do, and if they would work in your space, we have the kit for you. The kit information is window seat, and once again, it is the jewels pattern from the 1 Block 3 Yard Quilt book. Now, Susan sent in some pictures of her husband's den guest room, also known as the dog sentry post here. Very cute. I love these images, Susan. Thank you for sending them in. This is a beautiful room. I love the coloring on the wall. You have a great kind of manly chair, manly desk, and I really love the window here as well. I think it's really letting in a lot of light. It's a very cozy space. I can understand why your husband absolutely loves it. And I also like that you have some really strong elements in there, but yet you have a patterned curtain, which is totally up my alley. So I took some cues to pick the pattern for you and the fabric from the strong lines that are in the room, the wonderful rich colors, and some of the textures from the curtains. So we're going to find out what quilt we chose, but first let's find out what Susan has to say about this space. Susan writes, "This is my hubby's small den guest room dog sentry post. It needs a lovely quilt for the sofa bed to add life to the room. Thanks for the help, Susan." Susan, I think we have just the thing. Let's start out by looking at the quilt pattern we chose. Now, Susan, I have chosen the Affinity pattern for your husband's man space. And the reason why I chose this pattern is because your space kind of had a little bit more of a traditional strong feel, just like a man space should. And so I wanted something that had the rectangles, the square, but I didn't want to lose the movement. And this pattern definitely has that with this diagonal line. I also think that we can put just the perfect fabric in it, and it's going to blend so beautifully with the wonderful wood tones and leather that you have in there, and also your curtain fabric. I think we found some really great fabric to make a quilt for your husband's den. I think that we picked up the same essence and feel of the room. So I actually found this focus fabric, and I thought it really kind of lent itself to that same similar style of pattern that like your curtain fabric was. So I thought it would be the perfect focus. So this is a really nice leaf pattern. It almost looks like it's embroidered. I think it's really neat. It has a dark background with some nice green leaves shadowed in the background as well. This focus fabric is going to be in this large rectangle here as well as a little bit on the border. So it's going to really catch your eye and hopefully pick up that same flavor of the style that's in your room. For our number 2 fabric, we've picked up this nice beige, and it just has a little tiny leaf pattern on it. It's not necessarily scattered. It keeps that structured feeling that we're looking for here. I like that for our number 2 fabric because I think it keeps the richness. Didn't want to go too light. I wanted to keep it nice and rich. And then for our number 3 fabric, we've got this great kind of a green blue here that picks up the leaf in our focus fabric. This is going to be the great anchor to do everywhere this pink is here, and I think it's going to just really add some interest. And I really like the Affinity pattern with this fabric because I think it gives some structure but still some character and coziness, which I hope that you see too. I love the way this turned out. I really think it's rich and cozy. I like the leaf pattern, but it's not too feminine, which was very important for me. Wanted to keep it very, very rich and traditional, very much like your room, like that big leather chair. So it's really great. I like the way it's distributed. Okay, so Susan, for participating today, I will be sending you 1 yard of each of these 3 fabrics, as well as the book, Make It Easy with 3-Yard Quilts that has the Affinity pattern in it. It's going to go super fast for you. Now let's get the kit information for everyone. It is called Leafy Den, and it is the Affinity pattern from the Make It Easy with 3-Yard Quilts book. Now our next images were sent in by Janet, and she sent us pictures of her guest room / sewing room. When I saw these pictures, I thought, wow, what a happy room. I love all of the bright colors. I love the antique furniture that you have in here. It is so much fun. And you also have your sewing space in there, which I think is interesting because, you know, I have the same situation, a guest room / sewing space. So it's really tricky sometimes to combine those and still have a really comfortable guest room and still have your sewing space in there. But you're doing great. I love all of the happy colors and all of the wood tones. It's fantastic. Okay, we're gonna match a great quilt for you, but let's read Janet's story and see what she has to say about her space. She writes, I would like to see what quilt pattern and fabric you would pick for this room. The walls are painted with a calming color, but the room could use some fun, colorful quilt. I really enjoy your Matchmaker episodes and love your ideas. Thank you, Janet. Janet, I think we have the perfect quilt pattern for you. Let's go check it out. Janet, whenever I saw your room, I knew the perfect pattern right away. It is our Spools pattern. Now this is a super fun, super quick pattern to put together. It's actually a 1 block and it's just rotated to create the different directions of the spools. And it's made in 2 different color placements, so it's perfect. I think it has a lot of charm to it. I think it's really interesting the way that these go different directions. I think it's really fun. And I think if we put it in the really fun colors like your room to keep it super happy like your room, it's going to be the perfect combination of guest room and sewing room. I love all of the colors that you have. And you have a lot of that turquoise color, so I wanted to make sure that we gave it a little pop of happiness because your room is so happy that I wanted it to kind of stand off from the quilt on your bed and really give a lot of life and a lot of happy. So we chose a color combination that has a turquoise background with some beautiful peaches and yellows and greens in the floral. I think it really kind of has the same tones as your wall colors and your bedding colors and all of that. I think it's perfect. Now your focus fabric here is going to go in one of the spools. So it is this dark blue here and then on the border here. So you're going to get to see lots of this beautiful fabric in those great colors. Now for the background, we chose something really fun to keep that happy theme going. We have a cream with a multicolored polka dot here that's going to pick up all the colors in the fabric of the quilt as well as some of the colors in your room. This is Darling and it's going to go everywhere the yellow is here and a little bit on the border. Then we've pulled in a really fun peach color for our number 3. It's kind of a stripe a little bit, but it's got some little half circles in it. It's got these lines in it, and it coordinates so perfectly with the focus fabric. Now this is going to be your alternate spool block here, as well as the border here. And this stripe is going to work perfect in the spools. It's going to be so stinking cute. I just can't wait to see if you make this up and send me a picture. I'm going to show everyone an image because I love this quilt. I think it is the perfect combination of guest room, sewing room pattern with all the bright, happy colors, just like your room. It kind of has that old-fashioned flair that's going to coordinate so well with all of your beautiful antiques. I love how the greens and the creams and the oranges go together and just make the beautiful spool pattern. So Janet, thank you so much for participating today. We are going to be sending you 1 yard each of these beautiful fabrics to make up your quilt, as well as the book Quick and Easy 3-Yard Quilts. This has the spools pattern in it. Now, if you would like to make this cheerful quilt like Janet, then let me get you that kit information. It is Sweet Retreat, and once again, it's the spools pattern from the Quick and Easy 3-Yard Quilts book. Now, I want to share a quilt from a previous participant. This is Cynthia's quilt, and she participated in episode 23. We put her fabric in the Stellar pattern, and her fabric is in position 1, which is the floral focus position. I love the way this turned out, Cynthia. I think it just is so classy. I love the way the number 3 fabric gives you that anchor in the points of your star, frames it nicely with the border, and your floral just stands out truly as the focus. It turned out gorgeous. Great, great job. So thank you to everyone who participated. If you have a room in your house that you would like me to match a quilt for, send pictures of your room to matchmaker@fabriccafe.com. I'd like 3 to 4 photos with different angles of the room. Be sure to attach the filled out copy of the Matchmaker form to your email. You can find that form at fabriccafe.com under the free goodies tab. If you would like to get some other ideas to match quilts to your room, be sure to watch the video that pops up. It's Fran Morgan, your fabric matchmaker.